Crisp. Meaning, firm and fresh, easily broken into a crunching sound. Example, the wafers had a crisp texture when bitten. Jolly. Meaning, full of high spirits and good humor. Example, the children were jolly during the holiday festivities. Gentle. Meaning, kind and mild in temperament. Example, she spoke in a gentle and soothing voice. Polite. Meaning, showing good manners and consideration for others. Example, it's important to be polite when meeting new people. Glow. Meaning, to emit a steady light or warmth. Example, the candles cast a warm glow in the room. Fluffy. Meaning, soft and puffy in texture. Example, the kitten had a fluffy coat of fur. Quaint. Meaning, attractively unusual or old-fashioned. Example, the town had a quaint charm with its narrow streets. Scent. Meaning, a distinctive smell or fragrance. Example, the flowers in the garden emitted a sweet scent. Graceful. Meaning, elegant and smooth in movement or appearance. Example, the ballet dancer performed with graceful movements. Cautious. Meaning, careful and aware of potential risks. Example, the hiker was cautious while navigating the rocky trail. Lively. Meaning, full of energy and enthusiasm. Example, the party had a lively atmosphere with music and dancing. Tender. Meaning, soft and easily chewed, showing gentleness and care. Example, the meat was tender, cooked to perfection. Brisk. Meaning, quick and energetic. Example, the brisk walk in the morning invigorated her. Gleam. Meaning, to shine brightly with reflected light. Example, the sun made the water gleam like diamonds. hasty. Meaning, done quickly and without much thought. Example, his hasty decision led to some unintended consequences. Spacious. Meaning, having a large amount of space. Example, the living room felt spacious and open. Bold. Meaning, fearless and daring. Example, the explorer took a bold step into the unknown. Bright. Meaning, giving out a lot of light, intelligent. Example, the sun is bright in the sky, she is a bright student. Calm. Meaning, peaceful and quiet. Example, the lake was calm in the early morning. Fast. Meaning, quick or rapid in movement. Example, the cheetah is known for its fast speed. Quiet. Meaning, making little or no noise, peaceful. Example, the library is a quiet place to study. Tall. Meaning, of great or more than average height. Example, the giraffe is a tall animal. Kind. Meaning, having a gentle nature, considerate. Example, she is known for her kind and caring heart. Warm. Meaning, having or giving off heat. Example, the sunlight felt warm on her skin. Tasty. Meaning, having a pleasant flavor. Example, the homemade cookies were delicious and tasty. Silly. Meaning, lacking in good sense, foolish. Example, their silly antics made everyone laugh. Neat. Meaning, orderly and clean. Example, she keeps her room neat and organized. Clever. Meaning, quick to understand or learn, intelligent. Example, the clever student solved the math problem easily. cozy. Meaning warm, comfortable, and snug. Example, the fireplace made the room feel cozy on a cold night. Shy. Meaning nervous or timid in the company of others. Example, the shy girl hesitated to speak in front of the class. Fresh. Meaning newly produced or obtained, not stale. Example, the vegetables from the garden were fresh and crisp. Lucky. Meaning having good fortune, fortunate. Example, winning the lottery made him feel lucky. Funny. Meaning amusing or entertaining, causing laughter. Example, the comedian told a funny joke that made the audience laugh. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.